welcome back to Tami in the kitchen. Today I'll be making you guys linguine with clams. First ingredients that you will need is the pasta, linguine, olive oil, crushed red peppers, white wine, and it could be any white wine, scallops, garlic, parsley, clams, salt and pepper, and butter. First up, heat your stovetop to about medium heat. Grab your olive oil, and you're going to put about 6 tablespoons. Your scallop, and you're going to need about a half a cup of scallops. Garlic, about 5 cloves. Then you want to stir. You don't want to burn your garlic, so you might want to turn it down a little bit. While that's cooking for about 2 minutes, you're going to throw in your linguine into your boiling water. And I like to use almost 1 pound. So that's the whole packet. Perfect. You don't want it to burn, so constantly stir. About 2 minutes. Now I'm going to throw in my 1 cup of white wine. My clams, it's 2 pounds, about 45 clams. Crushed red peppers, a dash, salt, pepper, and 1/4 parsley. Mix it around. that's well blended, I'm going to throw a lid on it, put it on low, so I'm going to let that cook for about 10 minutes with the lid on it, and this about 9 minutes total cook time. All right, the clams are all cooked. As you can see, they all have opened up, and I steamed them for about 15 minutes with the lid on top. Now it's time to throw in the linguine. You want to give that a good stir. I'm going to take my unsalted butter, about 3 tablespoons. Mix that all together. Makes it nice and creamy. Once that's all stirred, you can always get yourself a loaf of French bread, goes great with it, and a glass of white wine. If you enjoyed watching me make linguine with clams, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.